Hello friends, welcome to Data Pandit. Today we are going to discuss about one of the important topic which is called CAP theorem or Brewer's theorem. That theorem applies for distributed database systems. So there are different characteristics of the distributed database system with respect to data retrieval or data availability or the data consistency and how the nodes are performing, right? So based on these uh, based on these functions, right? So there are many characteristics. So out of these, there are three important characteristics, which is called consistency of the system, and availability of the distributed database system, and the partition tolerance of the distributed database system. So the CAPE theorem shows that out of these three characteristics, which is called CAP, consistency, availability, and partition tolerance, only two of the characteristics can be guaranteed by any distributed database systems. So let's talk about what these characteristics are. Consistency. A system is called consistent if all the nodes return the same data at the same time. Meaning, whenever any write operation happens, immediate after, if any read operation happens from a particular node or any or multiple nodes, then those nodes return the same, all the nodes, the read operation return the same value. And that should be after the write operation of the recent write operation, meaning the most updated value should be returned. Then the system is called consistency. Okay, and the second characteristics is availability. So for any distributed database system, this system needs to remain operational for 100% of the time, meaning all the records should be served regardless of any particular node. If any particular node is not returning data for a particular request, irrespective of that, all the all the requests needs to be served without fail. Meaning this does not guarantee that it should be a most recent write. I mean, the if availability is guaranteed, then it should not be the case that it should be a consistent. It 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 returns some value, but it should not be the most recent return value. So if consistency is guaranteed, if availability has to be guaranteed, then it may not be have consistent data based system. Okay, and the third characteristics of distributed database system is partition tolerance. So this condition states that the system does not fail regardless of messages are dropped or delayed between nodes in a system. If any message or if any message or packet are dropped in between nodes, right? Then even then the system should not fail. Meaning partition tolerance in today's distributed database system becomes a necessary thing because in the cloud environments, all the clouds, they are fault tolerant. So even if the data request is failed, if any data node is failed to return or if it fails, then the data is replicated on multiple nodes so that if anything goes wrong for a particular node, the next available node is ready to serve the request. So for any distributed database systems, at least two out of these three characteristics should be guaranteed. So that is called CAP theorem. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.